Imagine a car inspection so strict that it practically turns drivers into part-time mechanics. We're talking about the dreaded Shaken inspection in Japan, and the reason why their cars are built to last forever. So, if you want to learn their secrets and make your car reach 1,000,000 miles, stick around. By the end, I'll reveal a trick that helps drivers save an average of $6,000 in repairs. But first, let's begin with a secret that can triple your car's lifespan. 9. Progressive warm-up before driving. One of the biggest secrets behind Japanese car longevity is the way they warm up their engines. Instead of hopping in, starting the ignition, and flooring it, they let the car ease into motion. When an engine is cold, the oil is thick and hasn't yet reached critical parts like the piston rings, bearings, and camshaft. Revving too early forces metal-to-metal contact, which causes unnecessary wear and scuffing. That's why Japanese drivers follow a progressive warm-up. In winter, they idle for 20-30 seconds before moving, while in summer, they start driving gently right away, but keep revs low. The golden rule is to stay under 2,500 RPM for the first few miles. Over years, this simple habit prevents engine damage, avoids costly rebuilds, and can literally add decades of life to a vehicle. 8. Oil changes, based on use, not just mileage. Many drivers religiously follow the manufacturer's every 10,000 miles oil change schedule, but that advice often assumes perfect conditions. Japanese car owners know better. They tailor oil changes to how the car is actually driven. For example, short city trips, frequent stop-and-go traffic, dusty roads, or extreme heat all count as severe conditions. Under these stresses, oil breaks down faster, loses its lubricating power, and allows sludge to form. Instead of blindly following mileage, Japanese drivers often change oil every 4,000, 6,000 miles in cities, and 6,000 to 7,500 miles on highways. 7. Regular fluid checks. Ask most drivers when they last checked their transmission or brake fluid, and you'll likely get a blank stare. But in Japan, this habit is non-negotiable. Fluids are the lifeblood of any vehicle, and ignoring them leads to some of the most expensive repairs. Japanese car owners check their engine oil monthly, while also inspecting transmission, power steering, and coolant levels. Even windshield washer fluid gets attention. They know that low or dirty fluids cause overheating, poor performance, and in worst cases, complete system failure. Spending just 5 minutes a month on fluid checks prevents up to 90% of major breakdowns. An incredible return on effort. 6. Early air and fuel filter changes. Air and fuel filters may look like cheap, forgettable parts, but they play a critical role in keeping your engine healthy. Many manufacturers recommend replacing the air filter every 30,000, 45,000 miles, and fuel filters when necessary, sometimes even claiming they last a lifetime. Japanese drivers know that's too optimistic. A clogged filter restricts airflow or fuel flow, which throws off the air-fuel ratio. This can cause your engine to run rich, wasting gas, or lean, raising combustion temperatures, and risking piston damage. That's why Japanese mechanics recommend swapping the air filter every 12 months, or 15,000 miles, and the fuel filter every 20,000 miles or 2 years. Spending $20–50 on fresh filters is far cheaper than replacing a catalytic converter, fuel pump, or engine components. A small habit done early saves thousands and keeps your car running as if it were brand new. 5. Clean intake system. Every 25,000 miles, your car's intake system is like its lungs, and when those lungs get clogged, performance suffers. Over time, carbon and dirt build up in the throttle body, intake valves, and mass airflow sensor. This buildup restricts oxygen flow, throwing off combustion and causing rough idling, sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy, or even engine stalling. Japanese drivers prevent these problems by cleaning the intake system every 25,000 miles, sometimes stretching to 30,000 if high-quality fuel is used. The process removes carbon deposits and ensures oxygen enters the engine smoothly. For less than $100, this simple cleaning saves thousands in repairs, prevents accidents, and keeps your engine breathing freely. 4. Only use high-quality fuel. Not all gasoline is created equal. While basic fuel meets minimum government standards, it often lacks the detergents needed to keep engines clean. Over time, low-quality fuel leads to carbon buildup on injectors, valves, and pistons, issues that can cost thousands to fix. Japanese drivers avoid this by choosing top-tier fuel with extra detergents proven to keep engines 19 times cleaner. They also use trusted fuel additives every 3,000–10,000 miles for extra protection. High-quality fuel prevents clogged injectors, reduces harmful deposits, and maintains better fuel economy, up to 4% more, according to studies. Over hundreds of thousands of miles, that savings adds up while also protecting your engine from premature wear. 3. Battery terminal maintenance. Many people ignore the battery until the day their car refuses to start. In Japan, battery care is taken seriously, so much so that visible corrosion on the terminals can cause a car to fail inspection. That chalky white or green powder you sometimes see on the battery isn't harmless. It's corrosion formed when hydrogen gas reacts with metal, and it blocks the flow of electricity. Left unchecked, it can cause sensors to fail, electrical systems to malfunction, and even damage the alternator or starter, repairs that easily top $1,000. The fix is simple. Disconnect the battery, neutralize the corrosion with baking soda and water. Scrub it clean, rinse, and then coat the terminals with a thin layer of petroleum jelly or dielectric grease. Done every few months, this $1 preventive step ensures smooth starts, protects electrical components, and saves thousands in avoidable repairs. 2. Preventive replacement of belts and tensioners. Belts are the hidden lifelines of your engine, quietly running the alternator, water pump, power steering, and timing system. Many drivers ignore squeals or cracks until a belt snaps, often with catastrophic results. A broken serpentine belt leaves your car without power steering or cooling, while a failed timing belt can destroy pistons and valves, essentially killing the engine. In Japan, drivers don't wait for disaster. They inspect belts every 30,000 miles and replace them proactively around 50,000 miles. Timing belts, in particular, are swapped between 60,000 and 100,000 miles or every 5 to 7 years. Yes, replacement can cost $500, $1,000, but compare that to the $5,000 price tag of an engine rebuild. 1. Frequent tire checks. Tires are the only part of your car that actually touch the road, yet they're one of the most neglected. Improperly inflated or worn tires are the leading cause of breakdowns and accidents, accounting for thousands of crashes every year. Japanese drivers treat tire care as routine, not optional. They check air pressure monthly, using the recommended PSI found on the driver's door jamb, not the number printed on the tire. They also rotate tires regularly, get wheel alignments, and adjust pressure for seasonal temperature changes. And that's how Japanese drivers keep their cars running well past 1,000,000 miles. Which of these tips will you start using on your own car today? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more car-saving secrets.